Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use X32 Edit. First, download and install the X32 Edit application from the official Behringer website. Once installed, launch the software. You will see a virtual representation of your X32 console. This powerful tool allows you to control every parameter of your mixer from your computer, offering incredible flexibility whether you are mixing front of house or monitoring on stage. It's designed for intuitive navigation and precise control. To begin, connect your computer to the X32 console using an Ethernet cable, or ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open X32 Edit and navigate to the Setup tab. Here, you will find a list of available X32 consoles on your network. Select your console and click Connect. After connecting, synchronize the settings by choosing console to PC or PC to console to match your desired configuration, typically starting with console to PC for live work. Now, let's dive into channel processing. Select any input channel to access its dedicated controls for gain, gate, compressor, and a 4-band parametric equalizer. You can visually adjust each parameter with precision. Next, explore the routing matrix. This allows you to assign any of the 32 inputs to any channel and route channels to the 16 mix buses or 8 matrix outputs. This flexible routing is key for creating custom monitor mixes and effect sends. Finally, let's explore the powerful effects rack and scene management. The X32 Edit provides 8 true stereo effects engines, offering a wide array of reverbs, delays, and modulation effects. Easily insert these into channels or mix buses. For efficient workflow, save your entire console setup as a scene. You can store up to 100 scenes directly on the console. Additionally, snippets allow you to recall specific parameters, like an EQ setting or a fader position, without altering the entire scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.